It's James McAllister with Seneca Sports Optics. It's Sunday afternoon, and Cole, my son, and I came down this afternoon. We was painting up some targets, doing a little bit of weed eating around some of them, getting ready to do some shooting. We've shot a little bit there. It's hard to see right now, but once we get it on the eye scope, you'll see. There's a little small piece of steel down there, I think about an 8-inch square set up as a triangle. We'll be shooting 425 yards. He's got on it just a little bit ago, so you'll see a couple hits already. He's shooting a 300 Win Mag and a Desert Tech with a Athlon Cronus BTR 4.5 by 29 by 56. We're at the 425 yard target. Like I say, this is a small triangle steel target. There's 2 hits on it already, but the wind's blowing 13 to 15 mile an hour out of the north, or out of the south going to the north, so it's a little tougher shooting than what you think at 425 yards. We're ready when you are, Cole. Send it. Alright, send it when ready. Looks like it hit just a little low and to the left. Send it. Low and to the right. Alright. Good hit. Send it at the swinging target. Like you shot to the right. Spot her up. Good hit.